In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background image to a section in Shopify Dawn theme. The Dawn theme gives you two general paths for background images. Some sections are designed to accept a background image right in the theme editor, which is the fast, no-code option. Other sections don't support that out of the box and would require custom code. In this walkthrough, we'll use the built-in option so you can get results quickly without touching code. Start by opening your Shopify admin and navigating to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize for your Dawn theme. This opens the theme editor where you can make visual changes and preview them in real time. On the left panel, find and select the section you want to update. You might be working with sections like Image Banner, Slideshow, or other customizable blocks that already include image settings. Inside that section's settings, look for controls labeled Background Image, Banner Image, or an Image Picker. Different sections use slightly different names, but the idea is the same. You're telling the theme which image to place behind the content. Click to upload a new image from your device, or choose one you've already uploaded to your store's library. Once the image is selected, you'll see it appear behind the section content in the preview. If the section offers extra controls, such as image position, overlay opacity, or text color, use them to improve readability. A subtle dark overlay is often helpful when your text needs to stand out on a busy photo. When you're happy with the look, click Save, then preview your storefront to confirm everything appears as expected. A few tips to make it look polished. Choose an image that's wide and high resolution enough to cover large screens without looking blurry. Landscape images typically perform best for banners. Keep file sizes reasonable to maintain fast load times. Compressed JPGs or modern formats like WebP are great choices. If the section provides a focal point or positioning option, set it so the most important part of your image isn't cropped on mobile. Always check both desktop and mobile previews, because background images are often cropped differently on smaller screens. If you don't see a background image option in the section you're editing, that means the section wasn't built for it. In that case, consider switching to a section that supports backgrounds or explore a custom code approach. That's all you need to add a background image the easy way in Dawn. Save your changes, preview them live, and you're done.